Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to cover how to set up the Company Master and Business Pointers Cloud Human Resource Management software application. Okay, first thing you need to do is open a browser to the address up here, which is 198.61.208.195/HRMS/HRMS-login.aspx. And it's much easier to get to if you just bookmark it, and it'll take you directly to, instead of having to remember it. Then you're going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to go to full screen here. And after you're logged in, you're going to see the basic application. This is our human resource application. We do offer several others, but today we're just going to focus on this part of the admin section. So you're going to go under Administration, Company Setup, to the Company Master. As you can see here, there's a lot of companies already set up here. And this is a list of all the companies for the application. Now, if you're wanting to add a new one, you would go to the Add Edit Company Details button and click on it. And then you would enter all this information. For ease of access, I'm going to show you this through copying, which will take me to the exact same form, except part of that information will already be filled in. So, to copy a company, I'm going to click on this button. It looks like two pieces of paper with an arrow on it. And then I'll start filling in the details. In this case, this isn't going to be a parent company. I'm going to actually make this a subsidiary. And by choosing subsidiary, I'm now going to get a box that will let me choose what company it's a subsidiary of. In this case, I'm going to make it a subsidiary of Boxit Corporation. I will then enter my company code. After that, I'm going to enter the name of the company. And then the legal name of the company. I will choose and fill in the industry or business type. I will select my country and state of incorporation, in this case Virginia. I will choose when it was incorporated. In this case, it was 2012. I will enter my federal EIN number and enter my website. I will also enter my company domain, which is the end of your website. I will choose what the fiscal year for this company is. In this case, this one's starting in January, but there's a lot of companies that start in July instead. Choose my languages and the status of this company. I will fill in the headquarter information. This one is actually headquartered in the U.S., so I'm going to change that for my drop-down bar. And the state is, again, Virginia. City is going to be Sterling. And zip code for this company will be 21066. It has the same contact number as the other one, and the same contact person. So you'd have to fill in all these details. Anywhere you see this red star, that means this is a required field and it must be entered in order to save it. Next thing, I'm going to go ahead and upload our company logo. So I'm going to click on Choose File, and I'm going to search my desktop for where I have it saved. I'm going to hit Open. And then I'm going to choose if I just want the company logo to show or the company name with it. In this case, I just want the logo to show. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. I'll get a message at the top of the screen letting me know that I chose a wrong code for this. So I'm going to change that code and try again. And now I have a message saying the record has been successfully saved. So I'm going to go back under Admin, go back to the Company Master so I can view my record in the Company Master. As you can see here, Snell Heating and Air Conditioning is now showing up under my Company Master. And if I want to make it my main company for the application, I'll go up to this company drop-down box and I will click on Snell Heating and Air Conditioning. And as you can see, it's now been switched to Snell Heating and Air Conditioning. That concludes my session on the Company Master. Thank you so much for joining me today.